Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you this Indian festive glam makeup look. Now you can wear this kind of makeup look for like any Indian occasions for like Diwali, Dasera or for Navratri. You can wear this kind of makeup look for like any red colored Indian outfit. So yeah, I'm going to be using all the drugstore products to create this makeup look. It's a festive makeup look and I want that shiny glossy effect on my face. So I'm adding Illuminating Strobe Cream as a moisturizer here. Then I'm taking this Maybelline Fit Me primer. Now this primer is best for dry skin. I'm applying it all over my face, on my nose just to minimize my pores and to create a smooth base for my makeup. It's an oil based primer, so it's good for dry skin girls. You can use any primer. Now for foundation, I'm taking this MAC Studio Fix Fluid Foundation in the shade of NC25. Now what I like about this MAC foundation is that it will give you that goldenish kind of glow and it's best suitable for all type of skin tones. Dry skin girls can also use this foundation. It will not make your skin look patchy, flaky or cakey. Now I would say MAC foundation do oxidize a little bit, so take a shade lighter than your exact skin tone and it will last you up to 8 to 9 hours, so it's best suitable for any occasion or for any party festive makeup look. Now next, moving on to the concealer, I am taking this K-Beauty Hydrating Concealer. I am applying it under my eyes, around my mouth area just to even out the pigmentation, dark spots and blemishes. It's a very lightweight and hydrating concealer, so both oily and dry skin girls can use this concealer. It will give you that natural kind of finish and yeah, you can use it on everyday basis also. Now to set my face, I'm using this MAC Studio Fix Compact Powder in the shade of NC25. Now I know it's a bit expensive, but once you invest on this compact, it will last you at least 2 years. And this is a full coverage compact, so you don't need to apply any kind of foundation. Just you need to apply this compact and you are good to go. Now moving on to the eyes, I'm using here the Nykaa eyeshadow palette. I'm taking this brownish color and applying it around my eyelids just to create this ombre kind of look. Then I'm taking this brownish shade from this Swiss Beauty eyeshadow palette. Now let me tell you guys, Swiss Beauty eyeshadows are so pigmented and also the brand is so inexpensive. I highly recommend you to try out Swiss Beauty eyeshadows. I'm just blending it on the outer area of my eyelids to create this soft ombre look. And now I'm using this glitter eyeshadow from My Glam. I'm just applying it on the top of my eyelids just to make my eyes look more poppy. Now I am taking this muted pinkish kind of shade from the Swiss Beauty eyeshadow palette and applying it under my eyes and also on the outer area of my eyes to give my eyes a little bit of depth. And now I'm gonna use a black kajal and applying it all over my upper eyelids as well as on my lower eyelids. As you can see, my one eye makeup is done. Now I'm gonna finish my other eye and here is the complete eye makeup look. Next, to fill in my brows, I'm taking this Sugar Micro Brow Pencil. Next, I'm using here the Maybelline Hyper Curl Mascara. It's a waterproof mascara and it will make your lashes look more lengthy and voluminous. Next, I'm gonna give my face a little bit of structure and chiseled look. So I'm using this Rimmel Natural Bronzer here. It will give you the perfect sun-kissed tan natural look for light to medium skin tones. Next, I'm using here the Sugar 3-in-1 Fresh Palette and I'm taking this beautiful peachy pinkish kind of shade and applying it all over my cheeks, on my nose. And yeah, it will give you that natural looking rosy cheeks. Next, moving on to the lips, I am using here the Swiss Beauty lip liner. I will mention all the shade name in the description box below. Next, for my lipstick, I am using here the Mars Creamy Matte Lipstick. It's a beautiful orangish red shade. It will suit on all type of skin tones. It's a beautiful orangish red shade and it will instantly enhance your skin tone. And yeah, this is the final makeup look. Now I'm gonna quickly go and change my outfit and I'll be right back. So yeah, this is the final makeup look and this is my outfit, my jewelry, my sari, and yeah, you can see it's looking so beautiful, so stunning and so monochromatic. This kind of makeup look you can create for any Indian festivals, especially for Bengali traditional festivals. This kind of look will look good on red sari or salwar suits. I just love how this look turned out. The eyes are looking so subtle and the makeup is looking so fresh. Yeah, on that note, I'm gonna shining off now and I'll see you soon guys in my next video. Till then, bye bye.